to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel for today's video. It's happy 4th of July! And I am swimming right now with my little friends and other friends also. Look, this is how I did my intro. We're celebrating 4th of July. I'm gonna spend hours in here for swimming, and I wanna spend with my family and friends. And look, this is how it looks like. See? And then I'll wear my goggles again. I'm having fun.
It could be.
Oh, the fishballs. Look.
It could be.
Happy 4th of July, guys.
Pa naman. How is it? Don't forget the sauce again. There's a lot of sauce.
Y'all can get some shish kebabs.
Welcome back to my video. Okay, now it's getting like a little darker in here, and we'll see a lot of fireworks later. I'm having so much fun, guys. Look, there's not much fireworks yet, but there's gonna be a fireworks. It's already 6:30, but fireworks is gonna pop up to like 7 or 8. We're gonna start hearing fireworks, and I'm gonna eat them. And we still have plenty of time to swim. Don't worry. We're gonna have fun today, guys. Okay, I'm Oh, somebody's doing it. I'm gonna play catch with my friends. Are you ready, guys? 4th of July! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy 4th of July! Hi guys, welcome back. Now I'm playing catch. Pass it! Pass! Hey, pass! Too short! Thank you! Alright! What?
Few moments later.
Hi! Welcome back! And now it's dark in here. Wow! That's loud fireworks. We have fireworks now. Like a few fireworks is ongoing. Like every minute, almost every minute, I hear at least one firework.